Come with me to Singapore. Yes, you heard me right. Let's go to Singapore, baby. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Joy Praise. And if you're a subscriber, you know, it's your girl, Joy Praise. So I made a plan. I made a trip to Singapore. Initially, my trip was supposed to be to Bali because I was going with someone special, but unfortunately it was cancelled. So I was like, since I have the visa for Indonesia, I might as well also go to Singapore because I don't need a visa. Just buy my ticket, do my arrival card, get my hotels, and then voila, here we go. Listen, the only time I'm a morning person is when I'm traveling early morning. Yes, I'm not a morning person, but in the morning for traveling, I am. So I grabbed some breakfast. Yes, I know, heavy breakfast. Yep. And this was me after the breakfast, fully prepared. I was so full for the flight. Here I was saying goodbye to a friend and also admiring myself, how pretty I am. Even though I look a bit fat, but you know what? We can work on that. Yep. Traveling to Singapore was one of the easiest arrival thing. To be honest, normally when I travel, I get a lot of annoying issues at the airport. But because Singapore, the smart check-in, self-check-in was so good and so quick, so I didn't have to deal with any immigration officer. Yep. So yeah, I gotta show you the Emirates. And the great thing is the plane was half empty, so I had my seat all by myself, and it was like, we chartered it like a private jet. I wish I was in the business class or the first class. It would be like a private jet because there will be like literally not many people. So this time around, I said, okay, I'm not gonna spend all my 7 hours journey watching movie. I will watch movie, but let me just read a book first because I've had this book for way too long and I've not finished it. So I used that time to read it, and it was so good. Mind you, the same verse I posted a few days back when I was reading the Bible, when I was reading the book, the verse kept on coming. And prior traveling, I went to church, and then the same verse that I was, meditating on, they preached on that verse. So I was like, God, are you telling me something? At this point, I was too tired, so I just knocked it off. I slept and woke up again, and I continued reading my book. If you feel like you need something to read as a Christian, you can also buy this book. It's good. It's amazing. I love it. So I woke up again reading my book, and then gotta go back to sleep. And lucky for me, there was nobody beside me, so I just made my bed. Yep, I made my bed, and then I just, knock it off. I slept for a few hours because it was 7 hours journey, and I didn't even take lunch. I skipped lunch. It was the best feeling ever. And mind you, I thought the flight would be full because, Eid coming up and people traveling. So I was like, oh, I don't want the flight to be full, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, it was great having the seat to myself. Yep, so I slept, woke up, and continued reading my book. Yes. Don't worry, seek his kingdom. Seek God first, and everything will be added to you. And then I watched this movie. I didn't even finish it because I started watching it at the end of the journey. And I had my dinner. The sandwich was so good. Emirates, everything is good with Emirates, The sandwich was so good. I actually requested another one, but unfortunately for me, I didn't get that. So I got a pizza, and then I added it. But the sandwich, oh boy, it was amazing. And I'm someone that do not like sweet, but this brownie was good. So I tried it and approved. And yes, this was the pizza. It was just margarita pizza, I believe. I didn't really like it that much as compared to the sandwich. The sandwich was so good. I hope my next flight, I mean, my return flight, they will have that sandwich, and I would definitely request two. Yes, they have to give me two. So at this point, we were about to land, and I was just preparing myself. I was like, yes, my holiday mode is on. And trust me, I didn't even take any rest. I couldn't even take any rest. You know, when you're tired from work, there's no time to rest. When you travel, you just go to places, and I had no itinerary. I just go with the flow. Yep, that's one thing about me. When I'm traveling, no itinerary. So when I was booking the hotel, I added a driver to it. So he was there to pick me up, and he was so funny. And I picked my bag with my one hand, and he was like, oops, you're so strong. I'm like, ooh, I should act like a woman on this trip, not acting like a man. Oh, myself, doing everything for myself. It's my time to feel like a princess. But here I was acting like a man, acting like, you know, my own protector. But anyways, we had a great conversation, and yes, so join me on my trip, and more videos are coming. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it, and be happy. Till next time, adios.